Good morning. It is 5:30. I'm very tired. I was up late last night preparing for today, because today is the day we're going on a journey. So I'm going to tell you about it now. I'll tell you about it there, but we got a plane to catch. Morning, folks. Hopefully you can see me because it is still dark. But yes, we got a flight from Gatwick. We have now landed. I am in somewhere across the pond, helmet in hand. Helmet in hand. And I'm doing something quite bizarre for America and walking. I'm actually heading to pick up a motorcycle. And we're going to have a few days exploring this fine place in which I find myself. I'm not going to lie, we got a few challenges. From the beginning, I landed here, my reservation had been moved to another hotel a good while away, so the only way to resolve that was to change to a upgraded room, which doesn't feel like much of an upgrade. I'll show you that later. We got that sorted, and now, let's say, head to pick up the bike. But I also took helmet out earlier, and the GoPro line adapter cable is not in my bag. I don't know what I've done with it. So unless I can sort one of those, there's going to be no audio on the helmet cam. But I might have to voice it over. Can't exactly go home and get it. But yeah, this stack of things, plus multitude of other things I've been doing lately, it's made this morning quite difficult indeed. In a pretty low place. I thought, no point to what I'm doing, waste my time, waste my money, and in all honesty, I just wanted to be at home. It's really bizarre. In these moments, like, I've been in situations where you think, oh, this isn't ideal, this isn't comfortable, da da da, and it can be quite horrific. There's something about when the good lady is here and we do it together, nothing's a problem. Yeah, on your own seems a very different story, but I just keep telling myself nothing is permanent, nothing is forever. This feeling will pass. So let's go and see a motorbike, get out of this gloom. Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Joe. I make motorcycle related content. If you're not new here, you may or may not be surprised. If you've seen Instagram, you know I've headed off, and this is a brief interruption to the Anglesey videos I've been doing. But as you can see, I am not in England. Short version of this, we're going on a family holiday as of Saturday on a self-drive with Emily and her parents, and I decided to fly out 3 days early just to hire a Royal Enfield Bullet and see the sights of the Sunshine State. It's all been a bit crazy. I've had a crazy few months, to be fair. And this is supposed to be the rest break, but yesterday getting here was quite difficult. Hotel problems and various other things. And then I woke up this morning thinking, right, fresh start. I'll have a shower. I had to walk to fetch the bike, which wasn't too far. It's a nice little early morning stroll, and got my helmet out at the bag I bought it in, and realised my adapter cable for the microphone wasn't there. So how can you hear me, you might wonder. Well, I did a lot of googling, and I took the plunge. I've ended up going to Best Buy and buying a different microphone, which is quite frustrating because at home I have a new microphone for my motovlogging setup, which I've been holding off using with the intention of setting up a new helmet at some point. And I did think to myself I should take that as a spare, but I should also check that the proper cable was in place as well. But never mind. Less whinging and moaning. Let's go see what Tampa has to offer. Now, you keen-eyed of you will notice there is a location in the map. It's not that far, 14 miles on the interstate, and we're going to cross over Tampa Bay and we're going to go and check out Bert's Barracuda. And you're back with me, folks. We're not far away now. We'll be on the left somewhere. There's Barracuda. And a nice place for lunch as well, check that out. That was a ghost point. Rolled a bit short for this, to be fair. Oh no, they found me. So we are here, the world famous Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson, and next door, the new home of Orange County Choppers. So I guess, let's go and take a look. Just about beat the rain. And that, my friends, is Bert's Barracuda and OCC Roadhouse. I still can't believe I'm actually here in this space. Also, oh gosh, the world's biggest flagpole. It's got an American flag on it because, well, it would, wouldn't it? We also have flagpoles. But the Royal Enfield is doing pretty well. It's a fetching beast in blue, 500 classic. And we're going to head back to the hotel now, catch a couple hours. We're feeling particularly lagged, and then we'll see what the evening brings. So I know there is a bike night here, so we might check that out. With that, we'll head down to Ybor City, one of the two, and then decide what we're going to do tomorrow. Who knows? Let's get on the road. Hopefully you can see me in that camera. We shall see. But we're going to make our way back to the hotel now. Yeah, I need to catch up on some sleep. I am flagging badly. Yes, that is a replica 18 wagon. You know why that is. Mr. T works here. That was Bert's Barracuda and OCC Roadhouse. Just had the Sportster burger of all things in there, and it was fantastic. We're going to head across, I say, back to the hotel now. Hopefully not encounter too much sogginess. This bike keeps doing this. He did say this. For fuck's sake. This is exactly what I need right now. Just in the right place. Side stand switch. Lovely guy that I rented this bike off, but one thing I will say, Lee, you need to get that fixed, mate. It keeps dropping me in the sticky brown stuff. And it's not something that's going to get better. Moment of mild panic there. We ain't going to stop for that. Too late. So, this is America by motorcycle. This is rain by motorcycle. Hey ho. Could be worse. Could be worse. Really hope my GoPro survives this. I didn't want to miss out on capturing this content, even if you probably can't see. Oh, yeah. Gonna get soaked. And then have to figure out how I'm drying my jeans. It's raining though. It is raining. That is a thing. You probably can't see me down there either now, can you? Oh, that's wet on the legs. Yep. Sunshine State, I was promised. I can say though, aside from the flood that occurred in the Harley dealer, if you're heading over this way, it's well worth checking out that place. Really, really like, it's cool, friendly, nice people. Look at that. Oh, you're right on the water. Yeah, that's right, folks. We're soaked. Completely soaked. Good little bike though.